Welcome to Punyoo channel. As of today, I will show you how to install Netflix 4K in mecool km6, and this is a very good TV box which is on the top ranking, top 5 and 100,000 benchmark. So don't be sad, I will show you how to create Netflix 4K APK. Before I start the tutorial, I will show you this Netflix, what are the capabilities. You can play until 4K HDR, and now the pattern showing just HD because my capture card only capture until HD. And you have to check your DRM info, take the brand mecool km6 and the system ID from the Google Widevine modular DRM. First thing, go to Google and type Netflix certification bypass and click Forum XDA developers, and after that download the batch apk tool.zip and then Netflix certification bypass 1.1. After you have this both, extract it and then go to start patcher, because this one you have to take the code first. mecool, brand of your device, product of your device is km6, and your system device is 19773. So take this one and save it on your notepad, this one, and go to batch apk tools 04. Okay, after finish, go to input apk smiley and click 0 smiley O. Find the content, set show dialog, open in notepad, and then find NFANDROID, this one, change it to the new key and this one also, constring v0 and vz and v1, change to mecool km6. After that, click save, go to the batch apk tools, enter 05 to recompile apk. Okay, now you have your own apk. This apk, just click and save to your TV box. So after you have saved it, just install directly using FX Manager or File Manager or whatsoever, and you have your own Netflix 4K. To get the downloadable apps, you can go to link down below also. Thank you very much for watching this. See you next time.